Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. I'm going to show you one of my favorite, I always say that my favorite, but actually one of my favorites, hummus recipes. I love hummus. You know, you can get it in any store, but it's so much better when you make it at home. So much better. So I'm going to show you how I make my hummus. So first things first, I've already drained. These are chickpeas. Organic chickpeas you can get anywhere at any store. I wanted to show you the can. Wait a minute. Here's the can. Bam! Chickpeas. You can buy it at any store. So I've already drained them, and when I drain them, I left the juice in here because I'm going to use some of the juice, not all of it, but some of it. So we're going to make a quick hummus, and really what I'm going to make is a hummus salad. So I do this a lot for entertaining. People come over, I make a big thing of hummus, and I put all these yummy ingredients, and people just love it. I'm going to put all the chickpeas in my blender. About 1 to 2 lemon juice. So this is probably like a half a cup of lemon juice. All right. 2 cloves of garlic. You don't even have to chop them. Bam. Okay. We're gonna do about 1/4 the cup of the juice back in there. Okay. And then the rest is seasoning. So we're gonna do cumin, ground cumin, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, or to your liking, cumin. We're gonna do some red pepper, cayenne pepper, about 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a shot. You can always put more in. You're going to do tahini. Tahini paste is like sesame seeds, ground up sesame seeds, and that is what they make all hummus with. All right, now I'm gonna add hot water. Okay, wipe my hands off. Then salt, so Himalayan sea salt. I'm not calling it. Pepper. All right. And then let's grind it up. And now I'm gonna put in some olive oil, just a little bit. This is basil olive oil. You can use any kind you want. Go, just a tiny bit to smooth it up. So homemade hummus, I know. Most people don't even attempt hummus. It's so easy to make, really. It's chickpeas, tahini sauce, lemon juice, salt, pepper, cumin, and a little bit of water and garlic, all blended together in your blender. And then what I do is I just do a beautiful big plate of it, and then I put yummy things on top of it to make it a salad. So I'm gonna put the hummus right here. Just all on the plate. And then we're gonna have pita chips to dip into it. How do I make it pretty? Is I put bell peppers, mini bell peppers, or you know, whatever you like, big bell peppers, tomatoes. There you go. Okay. Of course, galamati olives, my favorite, Greek olives. Yum. You can do green ones too. I forgot the green ones, but. All right. Then we're gonna do some capers. Gotta have capers. Capers are good. Now, I'm picking them up with a fork so I don't get all the juice, but you can drain them too. Okay. And then feta cheese. Cheese or no cheese. Season it with a little paprika, smoked paprika. A little more of the salt, Himalayan salt. Okay. All topped with some parsley. Absolutely beautiful, right? This is just a great salad by the pool. When you have friends come over, instead of a dip, you make hummus salad. And then I have these peanut chips already. You can make homemade or whatever. And here is a quick and super easy hummus salad with all the yummy stuff. I gotta put some olive on here. I feel like I'm at a Greek restaurant. I'm sitting in the Mediterranean. I'm eating their Chinese food. Really easy, really good. If you like this recipe, what do? You gotta hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to Ali in the Valley. I put a new video up every week. And if you need the recipe, you know where to go. www.Ali in the Valley. It's summertime. Hope you enjoyed all my recipes. This hummus salad is phenomenal, trust me. People come to my house to eat, and I make it sometimes when they're sitting here, and they're like, how did you even come up with that? I'm like, I don't know, I just love food. Anyway, Ali in the Valley, don't forget to subscribe.